Hello everyone, welcome to my channel EduSpark. In today's video, we are going to understand what is SQL in a simple way with real world examples. If you are a beginner, this video is for you. Let us know what is SQL. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It is used to communicate with databases. SQL helps us to store, retrieve, update, delete the data. For example, just like we search contacts in our phone, SQL helps us search data inside a database. Let us know what is a database. A database is an organized collection of data. For example, customer details, product list, employee records. All these are stored in a database in a structured way or organized way. In a simple language, database place where data is stored neatly. Let us see the real world examples of SQL. For example, online store. Let us take an example of the online store or a shopping website. SQL is used to show the products, store customer details, manage the orders. Let us see some queries like select command, insert command, and update commands are used in the queries. To see the product, we use the select command. To add the product, we use the insert command. To update the stock, if I want to see all the products in a list, then I can write a query like select star from products. Let us see the second example, banking. In banks, SQL is used to manage the customer accounts, transaction balances of the customer. For example, select is used to view the transactions. Update command is used to update the balance after the deposit of the customers. Like when you deposit money, SQL update your account balance. Let us see the example 3. Healthcare. In hospitals, SQL is used to manage patients' records, appointments, and treatments. Let us know the benefits of the SQL. SQL is very powerful because it manages large data easily, it keeps data accurate, and it keeps the data secure. SQL is mostly used in every industry. In a simple language, anywhere where there is data, there should be SQL is used. So, today we have learned what is SQL, what is database and its real world examples of the SQL. If you found the video is very helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. In part 2, we will see the installation process of the SQL.